In this video I'd like to show you how to center image in GIMP. So first we need to create a new project. So I go to File and then I go to New, and here I will create a new image. So I will type here width and height, and then I click OK button. Now I need to add here a new image. So we need to open folder or directory where we have our image, and then we need to drag and drop it on the project. After that it will be loaded. We need to go to Resize tool. So I click right mouse button here and I click on scale or use shortcut Shift S. After that I zoom out and I change dimensions of this object. After that I will put it somewhere here. Then I zoom in this project, and then I need to open alignment tool. So I click on it, and then we need to click on this one option, align anchor points of targets on vertical middle of reference. It will let us to center our image. So how you see, it really works. The object has been successfully centered on this background. That's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.